Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the muffler guard on this Briggs Stratton engine, you will need a 7mm socket and a 10mm socket with an extension. Before you begin this procedure, make sure the engine and muffler have cooled. Using the 7mm socket, unthread the 4 mounting screws, securing the guard to the muffler. Use the 10mm socket with an extension to unthread the rear screw securing the guard's mounting strap to the bracket. You can now fully remove the old guard. To install the new muffler guard, position it over the muffler, then thread the screw to secure the strap to the bracket. Thread the 4 front mounting screws to secure the guard to the muffler. The engine should now be ready for use.